Welcome to Lemon Coders. So this is Cognizant Survey Mail CIS Role. So many candidates have received this Cognizant Survey Mail, those who are selected for the offer of that role. So Cognizant is sending these candidates that you can fill up the survey mail and opt for the CIS role. And those candidates who want to wait for 2 to 3 months for the patrol, they should not fill up the survey mail. And those who want to immediate join to Cognizant CIS role, they should fill up the survey mail. I will directly show you the survey mail. Okay. So they are telling that we understand that you have a valid offer from us for the role of IT PAT. While we are trying to evaluate your profile for onboarding against our business demands, we see the possibility of this happening through an extended timeline of this year. That means they will take time. So if you have patience, you should not fill up the survey mail and wait for your patrol. But it will take time. Otherwise, if you have any problem, like you want immediate job, so then you can fill up the survey mail and you can join the CIS role. The next day, they are telling that our Cognizant Infrastructure Services business has an exciting role for you and is looking to onboard immediately. The job description of the role mentioned is attached for your reference. We would encourage you to go through the same and let us know whether you are keen to take up the role. You may later visit the v.cognizant page to know about Gen C Digital Honors. It is an exclusive program for Cognizant Gen C, which is dedicated to accelerate growth and career progression of Gen Zs in India. You can know more about it, just Google it and kindly respond back to the survey mail on or before March 15. And this was the survey link. So this was the update from Cognizant. So the question is that who should fill up the survey mail and who should ignore. The candidates who do not have patience and want job immediately, they should fill up the CIS survey mail and they should take the Cognizant Infrastructure Services job because patrol will take time. It no one can tell how much time they can take, like 2 months or 3 months. It depends on the business requirements of Cognizant. If you are lucky, you can get your offer letter within 1 month also, but in some cases it can take up to 3 months. So if you do not have time, you should fill up the survey mail and go for the CIS role. Otherwise, those who want to wait and have enough patience and are ready to wait for 2 to 3 months, they should not fill up the survey mail and they should go for patrol. Why I am telling this? Because the patrol has more opportunity than CIS role. CIS role is basically a support role. It is not exactly a support role. It has many technologies also, but it is not as good as patrol. Like patrol is much better than CIS role. So if you can wait, you should opt for the patrol. There is a recommendation that you should opt for patrol. Otherwise, if you do not have time, you should fill up the survey mail and go to the CIS role. So this was the details about Cognizant survey mail. And if this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel to get more updates.